Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya, watching me on my YouTube channel The Expand. Are you sitting idle at home and do not know what to do during this quarantine? Are you a type of work from home guy and do not have any other job to do during this quarantine? I have all the solutions related to these questions because today I'll be telling you about some of the jobs which you can do by just sitting at home. For this you don't need any other big kind of things, but rather you just need three things, which the first one is just your laptop or your mobile, and the third one is just a good internet connection. If you have all these three things, obviously you are good to go because you can actually work from home without struggling or going outside. Suppose if you just going to work, that is good because you can earn more money too, but also during this work time, like the outside, you have to spend your money on other kind of expenses, like if you're going by bike or bus, and these kind of petrol and all these things you need, or you have to spend these kind of expenses. But work from home is just not like that because you don't have to spend any other extra money on these kind of things. So let's get into the video. Before getting in, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you can just subscribe it down there. If you want to see me every day, so that you can press the bell notifications, that you'll be able to see me whenever I post a new video. So let's get into the video. Working from home is that you can be your own boss. Like nobody will be there to actually ask you questions. Like suppose if you're in a company working for someone else, there you'll be having many orders and you have to submit, or you have to do a specific work in a given time, or there is a specific deadline for those things, and you will be so stressful in completing those works. But this is just not like that because you are your own boss, because what you do, according to that you get your results. So this is just fully dependent on yours, and it's not that you have to work under somebody else when you can actually work for yourselves. So this is actually what I wanted to say. And also this can give you a standard living, like a normal life. You can do these kind of jobs even in as a part-time job also, or like you can do as a freelancer too, like working for yourself. So the first thing which I wanted to tell you is that you can be a writer. Like in the sense, everybody knows writing, of course. Like if you have a small kind of education or some education with you are able to write, because you can start blogging, or you can write your thoughts about your lifestyles or about some things which you feel. So you can just write it down and then just upload it. Just I said, just good internet connection is needed, and then if you upload it, people will be able to read your thoughts, like how you are doing or how you're having, like your lifestyle and stuff. So people will be having some of the thoughts about you. And also if you keep on writing about it, or on this, you can obviously getting a job from the other companies. So that is like just work from home. You don't have to depend upon anybody else. So this is actually one of the things which I wanted to tell. And the second one is about QMath. QMath is just like teaching maths to students or children. Now maths is considered as one of the critical and difficult subject for, especially for those children. So this will actually, it's not like a teacher in a school or professor in a college. It's just like a free woman or men teaching or talking to children about mathematics. So you can even apply for this job. So I have given the link for this job in the description. So the initial amount you have to pay for this is just 6,000. Obviously, like even for the government job, you have to pay some of the amount, and then only you will be able to get inside. Like similarly, this to have a kind of thing. But other than this, there are other works as well where you can just do from home. So the things which I am telling you is, like, you might have already heard of this, because this is just a basic things which you can do. But if you utilize this things properly, like if you hard work for this, you can earn in lakhs and even in crores, because this just need hard work. It just depends upon the hard work which you put in. And also the next one I wanted to tell you is about, you can be the freelancer. As I've already mentioned it before, that this is just working for yourself. This is just like a self-employed person. So the thing is that there are so many platforms under freelancing, just like graphic designing, web development, and content writing. There are so many things, but what you have to do is that you have to become famous to get your clients. That clients will be offering you some of the jobs to do. Jobs in the sense, there are many things which is present, but this jobs you have to do it in a perfect manner and then give it to your client. So this is the thing which I have come across, or which I am aware of. So you can actually do these kind of jobs and improve your financial things by sitting at home. And the next one I want to tell you is about the games. Just like games in the sense, you can earn money from games. Like we normally play games just for our our enjoyment or our entertainment, but this games you can actually play it and earn it. It's just like 24/7 you play, 24/7 you earn money, just like job. You might have heard of this app, just like MPL or rummycircle.com. Like this is one of the best websites or games which you can actually play and earn money. So it's just depend upon your talent, because how much ever struggle, or there is nothing struggle like this for in this specific game or specific platform, but all you need is just your brain and knowledge for these things. So if you actually put your best in these kind of things, so you can actually earn a lot of money. So the next and the best thing which I have come across is the digital marketing. So this has been largely increased for the past 10 years, because you can see many ads which is been coming on our social media. Like it used to come in televisions and stuff, but now it has mostly coming in social media platforms just such as TikTok and YouTube, etc. So I think YouTube can be considered as one of the best thing to do, like kind of a work from home, because it's just you post random videos and then according to the views you get money as well. But this does not seem as a good option for the beginning, but later when you grow your channel, like when you post more videos or when you get more views, and after some specific time, I'm damn sure that you will get a specific amount of money. And also it will be great for you to be productive also during this quarantine, because I'm doing it because I don't have any other job to do in this quarantine period, because if I sit idle or alone, I'll become mad. So by talking to you guys, I feel kind of pretty okay, because after leaving from quarantine I won't be going like a mad girl. So this actually helps me a lot. So similar jobs you can actually do it. This you can even do it so that you can earn money in the future. In order to start your career in this field, I don't think you need to buy many stuffs or many items from the outside to do this necessary kind of video thing, but rather you can actually start with what you have rather than thinking about what you don't have, because I think this will be a great opportunity for you to learn many things, explore many things, and even work from home. So in order to start this, you have to need much content. Like the main thing which speaks here is just the content. So if your content is good, I think many people will start following you, and then you will be having many views and many followers. So I think this is the thing which happens in this field. So as I told you that you can do these kind of jobs even as a part-time, or also you can get into it, like you can take this job as your full-time job. So I think this is all I have a knowledge about. So if you like this video, you can just give it a like, and then if you like my videos or my things which I'm posting, you can just subscribe it so that you will be able to get my videos as soon as I post it. So thank you for watching and keep supporting. Thank you.